Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm here to wish you happy holidays and a wonderful new year from the Lionard family. We have arrived through a full year of videos together, taking you on an adventure throughout the country. This has been a year of live tours, but also a year of growth. Not only the Lionard team has expanded, but the company is now opening its 4th office in Naples, and that is just the beginning of the expansion project. We love what we do, and I personally love to share our vision with you through these live tours of the breathtaking properties that we have seen up to now. Many of you have been following us for a while, and for those who haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join me on more adventures in this beautiful place that I love to call home. With that being said, thank you for your support. I love reading and answering all your comments. We always want you to feel part of the experience, so keep on telling us where you want us to take you next. And on that note, buone feste!